This is Kesman 93.3 FM, a new wave of excellence in radio.
Quickly, Maminko, Andy Kem ho and Sana Mabediga Kakra. Now we the second batch of questions, and so Abremo. Mrs. Yemuakwaba, Meba or what? Don't worry, the message here. Andy Kem, yeah.
Mammy, with them, I'm from free look and I'm Franco.
All right, no problem.
Because of the FA question.
I do the trust of listening.
I say,
well, Bosika home by also see Felipe bring call and go this come more.
Yes. Missika and I may bought home buying and they say FA president in the 12,000. 120 million in Tiasi. Back on. Missika and I may bought home buying and say FA president's no free in Krano or Takrade or Belkumasi or Kokilkosa. Or this 600 cities as allowance in Tiasi. Or full play the choir.
Ghana Football Association president. So this is around $2,000 a month. Also on Tiasi. $2,000.
Referee for Intiomoka.
Okay. To us all also.
Referee for Intiomoka.
Okay, me too.
You know, auntie. Maintain was. Or full player $500. Mintiasi. Credit here, they want 1,000. Mintiasi. Must man. Now, and Obusami say. Esco no me so me see stand and me am say because omo koromo kwa ko this scam scanner doso. You know, I'm for the extension of the Esco because my main for us say to charge my kuturu wa. Organize third division, second division, first division in the national. Osa organize juvenile the whole Ashanti region. Bro have same thing. Oko the other regions now same thing. Na general area ono na call report to Momo Diama Esco no. Meanwhile, there are people at the Esco who aren't organizing anything. Inti dia na no oba ye ha ono ye ketukruku ha. Inti general dia ti na ketukruku wa ha any class or represented on the executive council of the Esco. Na omo ka Esco ni ho a omo memfa obi say na no do safo. You know what is he organizing? He just part of the Esco. But Ushe Kotoro Mojuma na ejuma kase. And to work under a municipal and after the whole region, na be anything football within the region, I believe those people deserve a rep at the ESCO. And until that, general, me go so ame campaign is said, Sadia na omo call Congress ne koye yene die. I'm in support of that because untimin kase omo organize football in regional areas ni mum entenefi no mum fa phone call report to man penny for one kind. No. Those people deserve to be part of the ESCO, and I'm for that. Obviously, why was the FA not interested in the Congress? Congress no more interested. Oma no more interested at the Congress by FA for because nem paya na no more boss. Inka Congress no muko ni na nkomo nso na nkomo ntwetwe om. Nti the next minute by minute report. Oma no more in Facebook live. These people were following. Keenly, just to make sure send numbers no munya. But fortunately for omo organizing Congress no, omo timi for omo korum omunya numbers no. The FA interested again. Omo koye Congress ni stakeholders are omo part of the football. Nti say FA no mpani for do say omo de omo mabia. Omo constitute the FA no na omo kokoye omo tie omo yitaku omo ye omo se mpoade football ne kokochi aye no. Any decision on the Bekobi, on the Quacom penny for in general, the FA were so much interested. Yes, all men knew money, and people were afraid to be victimized. So, my better Congress, but they were interested. Obviously, House of Folk, more dear boy, said the ain't so any nonsense, or more bedigina, a bear mwana, and yamwana, because House of Folk, general, or more 9 points, 12 position. In their last 2 games, they've been super. Games no more Dreams FC, Brekum Chelsea, BHM United, Baby any Go Stars, 11 Wonders. The possible 15 points and has to beat any now between not 12. The possible points will be into almost 3 matches now. They who ding Muno Kakraba do baby a free the mood down and pay the performance of the against Accra Lions. The only against Albina Sharks no match. Say so almost struggle against as good as anyone. Almost struggle against Adriana Stars anyone. But relatively cheaper or easy games, Haas can afford it. Inti omo the enebe pick it. It's a Haas. Eba no more Beji League now. I wouldn't be surprised because last season it was same old story. And omo bre ya later omo team back clinch the league title. Ti Haas League na general. I wouldn't be surprised. I think that is the local stories now.
All right. But what hit foreign look at now?
I may go for it.
Okay, yeah.
Obi say Diego Costa, okra dual citizenship, MTS Franco Kai. Now free Brazil okra, your friend Lagato. Obo 2 games for Brazil and later I'll be naturalized the man Spain. And Jira, Sisi Usina Kai the man let go Minero Bat. Okra dual citizenship, but he's a Brazilian. Cavani beat me after or Barca now, obviously yes. I say Cavani beat me after or Barcelona. Barca needs a center forward, and with an elite striker like Edison Cavani, Obibia, Barca style of play, no beat me after and clearly he can fit in, and he's a versatile player up front. The opposite will be beat me in amount. Barca a personality like Cavani up front a bit poor, and I feel so the proof and dinner. Beat me after into the Barcelona setup. Matthias De Ligt is the highest paid player in the Italian Serie A. Obise Kotoko no wafa predictions. Kotoko besha wafa Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Arsenal team nene Barcelona a team no. Arsenal beat me a show man. You know I football, but me see as me analyze the two teams now. Remember Arsenal say omo de bono and say consistency almost show the number of goals almost share almost so a duel with certain young guys and players or more experienced kakra with just like the Barcelona team. But Barca team no mostly a relatively young lads. A few money be more chance almost see a kind in the Spanish La Liga. And our Arsenal team no baby Mikel Arteta abode dia do anybody a Javi epic kakra krabra no GDS Arsenal team na ejina yi e che e team a friend no Barcelona team no. Rudiger say or pesika say am penimfo fama no if he say Harry Maguire kraji 180,000 pounds a week nti adenti na Rudiger pesika o fama no. Manchester United the bobo ko Barca into sika kese ma player dia you know what e pa, but I agree with the person say and yes all the Chelsea player na kwa to Maguire dia no, but I feel say Rudiger na Maguire dia ma Chelsea in the last 1 year we hear an increment of salary and I was saying for 2 months now on so etimi etina se player e shegu no de nsashe na no a mostly the no aya na omo ewo fofora e no mtaye sa so omo yire mo nyema omo je ball no de acha omo jesini but se omo eyemo ewo dia ubun se Robinho for example so shegu a no de nsa ashe na no Robinho ne Neymar who make opponent frustrated, control, not make everything you know ni nyina Neymar da Silva Santos Junior. Obisi Jurgen Klopp asemo okaye efa Africa Cup of Nations no de to kudus ni Mo Salah nsem na ekoso no eno no man nsem na okaye ni di mu ana je no anya Africa nko a na ye ba be tournament na player wo injira team kase ye be mana ko ne country ni so say yenso ye hia no nti emfa ne mra. We've seen players omapra omakọ tournament a omatena bench ya until say team ne qualify to the knockout stage omakọ akobo nti se kudus pra na ya asese na nsa ni inji situation ne doso oba against South Africa and chen opra games oba Ghana honso oba no prepare with the talent na e woni mu no omo ogidie se obetimi abo omo in years to come nti omo hwe the condition ne level any inji situation no say the city a omo ogidie se oba afcon na emwa player no any aya team na di no a when you the first time BSC nti say aya focus ya nti say ya afcon a little tournament nti na omo yesa Mo Salah has to do with issues concerning Liverpool games on Bebo Leeds United, on Bebo Arsenal back to back, and again on Bebo Leicester City back to back. So games in there very likely say Mo Salah and Liverpool for who say general but you know the reality is that so if we contribute to say Egypt, your national team is always at stake because Salah ball our nyina no say obobo ni wie na wantimi anya hwe ama Egypt. Idi ni be kode but say den ka Egypt for no be si adono. Say den ko be si apedasem and say den be si compare no to their grades no general. E betimi abafrem kakra. Real Madrid transfers. Florentino Perez are strategic. Now watcha Sikano 7 war frame nti omo hwese on betimi anya free players. Nti o ha no ati Rudiger kakra. Kylian Mbappe di omo hye Sikana to ase ne setiti sie ya. You know betimi di akobere again. Mbappe nso contract di nti se wasan. Nti hope say by someone so ansan dia na wu na ready dia na kwan dem. Paul Abili Pogba enso dia no ansan nti e kwan dem so no so twen mani wu dia. And all these players have been linked to a team friend Real Madrid. Nti Real Madrid transfers no general sana enso eti. E kwan be na Barcelona be fa so and revert to the old days. Ayesi kasem any planning It says sika ho dia Barca come market na for players are almost fit the profile of Barcelona, almost fit the style of Barcelona na. Barcelona beat me back, but until then it is still going to be the same old story. Barca be taking time and some more to me picky pieces now as I be competing with the very best. Chelsea coach is on my fa. You know, I mean, time Ranieri since 2000. You say Moreno, Avram Grant, Luis Felipe Scolari, Gusedeng, Carlo Ancelotti, Andres Villas-Boas, Roberto Di Matteo, Rafael Benitez. You see Moreno, Gusedeng, Conte, Mauricio Sarri, Frank Lampard, Thomas Tuchel, and then Steve Holland. Since 2000, Chelsea coach is on my fan. Village new company, John Terry, Van Dijk. One I'm the better first. Obviously, it is John Terry, who for me the best among these particular players in the EPL. Do you know questions? No,
okay. What did buy? Na say, bia, yenya faswa. Momodia na say Fabre. Tima nyere ndekura. That can be to me abom.